Okay, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I want you to click the subscribe button and the notification button so that you're able to be notified anytime I come on board or I upload a new video that can make you to make money online. So today we are looking at how to make money selling digital products without a website. So this is for as many that are starting new and you don't have the tech knowledge about you creating a website. You find it so stressful even for you to create your products, and how can you start making money easily online. So with this few steps I'm going to show you, if you watch this video to the end, you are going to see how you can easily start making your money online quickly in this training. So let's all start. Let us dive into it. That will be either ebook, it can be video, or it can be broadcast. Your podcast can be broadcast. So these are the the digital product, information products that is very vital now, that many people can listen to, and they can use it to solve their problem or learn from it. So if you want to make money, these are the digital products you need to create. Our topic says how to make money selling digital products. So these are digital products that you need to sell: ebook, video, podcast, to make money online. So how will you go about this now? So let me create another slide again to show you. So let us see steps that you need to take to do this particular thing. So the first thing you need to do is to find a problem. Find a problem. Many people want to start business, want to start online business, they want to start their own business. They will just create products and they would like to sell the product to people. Creating products, I didn't say is the wrong way, or you seeing products that you like and you want to sell it to people. No, you sell products the need of people. What the people need, that is what you need to sell to them. So you have to look for their problem, what they are passing through. You sell it. That is what make your products to sell fast. You don't need to struggle for it. But many people will sell a product, they will go and create a product before they start finding people that will buy it. So the first thing you need to do, you must find, in any business you are doing online, you must find a problem first before you create a product. Get it in your mind, find a problem first before you create a product. So the next step, what you need to do is to create a solution. Step 2 is to create solution. You create solution to the problem you have seen. Create solution to the problem you have seen. So how will you create the solution? Is a simple way how you can create your solution. You create your solution by interviewing experts. You interview experts to create a solution. So like what I'm saying is, if in step 1 you find a problem, you go to forum or you go to a Facebook group, you see people discussing a particular problem that is so paramount in that particular group or forum. You see people discussing, for example, it can be weight loss. They are talking about weight loss, or it can be how their children can learn faster in school. You see, they are discussing, and there are many people discussing on that. So you have seen a product like that. So what you need to do is to create a solution. How will you create a solution? Is to if you cannot create such solution, you don't know the solution how people can lose weight, you don't know solution how children can read faster or can learn faster in school, which you have seen a problem, you can interview expert in this area. So just get an expert. You can use your phone, Just ask them series of questions. You put your question, you meet them, expert on this area. They are everywhere. You ask them, how can somebody lose weight? How can somebody read fast? What are the tips and guide you can give? And they will give it to you. You list them down. You now, convert those information, write them in your own words, and put them into an ebook. You can put them into a podcast. You can put them into video, so that you pitch it to people's problem, people that are looking for such. So you can use, you can use the interview method to get it from expert. You can use what we know as PRL products. PRL products are private right label products that you can get online. Also, just Google searches. It can be ebook, can be video, can be podcast also, that is related to the problem you have seen. With just $5 or $7, you get a PRL products that you can sell that is related to the problem you have gotten. Or you can do it yourself. You do it yourself. Yes, DIY. You do it yourself. You can do this particular thing by yourself. The solution, just go online, Google search. You create content by yourself. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I create content in a free way. The easy way I create my content, the solution to my when I get a problem, how I create content for them, how I do it by myself in an easy way. How I do it, I'm going to give you a video that you need to follow, that you see the way I do it in a simple way. So let's create another slide. Let's see. Your step 3 to take is to set up your selling system. Set up your selling system. You set up your selling system. So when you have created your product, either you use the interview expert method, or you use the PRL method, or you do it yourself, and you have formatted them into either is on ebook format, or is in video format, or is in podcast format. You have to put it online because it's digital product. People have to see it online. They have to download it. They have to watch it. They have to listen to it. They have to read it. So these are they have to read it. So what you need to do is to set it up online, so that people will be able to pass through and get it online, or download it, or read it online. So how to do it is the conventional way that we used to do is to create a website. But if you don't have a website, what you need to do and to start fast is to use this particular tools, or this particular application. This application is a web-based application. Just go there, Gumroad.com. Gumroad.com. So just go there and type in this thing. You sign up for free. Even there is a pay version there, but the free version can do great work. So I work with the free version. So I'm going to drop the link to the sample, the template of what I have done also that I'm selling. I'm going to drop the link so that you go there and see it, so that you're able to look at how it is. So very simple. You set it up. You can upload your video there. You can upload your ebook there. You can upload your your podcast there, and it's going to be, you use that medium to sell it. So your payment gateway, how you are going to receive your money, they pay you the money when people buy it. They pay you through paper. So I'm going to also give you a guide that you can establish your business paper, whereby you can receive money and pay out your money through paper right here in Nigeria. I'm going to give you, so they pay, Gumroad is going to pay you through paper, and people will buy your products with a credit card with any credit card or PayPal. They buy it through Gumroad that you've set up. Very easy, free, under 5 minutes you have done it. You can put your hard copy, you can put the description of your product, the product image can be put there, and you set it up and you promote. So the next step for you to take is to promote your link. So you promote your link. So you are going to promote your link. So Gumroad is going to give you a link that is linked to your products on their site. So you just take it, you go to Facebook, you go to Twitter, you go to forum, you go to Instagram, all this place. Go there and promote your link, direct people there, let them know about it. As they go there, as they see it and they see the description, they will buy. As soon as they buy, the Gumroad is going to give you your payments through your PayPal account, and you start making money. You start making money from it. So it's a simple step approach. Let us look at it again. Very simple step approach. I said today we look at how to make money selling digital products without a website, and what are the digital products you need to get is ebook, video, podcast. So how the next thing is for you to the steps to take. Number one, you find a problem, go to forum, go to group, find a problem there. What is paramount to people over there, you find it. Number two, you create solution to that. If you want to create a solution, you can use interview the experts method to get information, and you create it into any format, either it's an ebook format, video format, or broadcast format. Or you can use your PRL. Just spend a little amount of money there. You go online, you see it, spend a little amount of money, you can get it. Or you can do it yourself, which I said in the next video. I'm going to show you how I create my content in a simple way. I have 5 methods. I'm going to give you one, and you will see how I do it. Yes. So what's next? After what you set up your selling system, use gumroad.com to set it up. Also, I'm going to give a link so that you see how mine is, and also a guide for you to sign up for your business PayPal account, so that you start receiving money. So after all this, you have to promote your link. You promote it on Facebook, promote it on Twitter, on Instagram. Just put the link over there, and you start generating traffic to that Gumroad that you have set up, and you start making money. So these are the first step. So like I said, I promise in the next video I'm going to show you how I create content, for my ebook, either for my video, either for my podcast, in a free way, simple way that you too also can take advantage or leverage on. You will see it how I do it. So if you have not subscribed, please, I want you to subscribe to my channel. You can share this video also to help others. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, and also comment down if you have anything related to make money online, or what is the best method that you have gained from this. You just put it on the comments down. I will attend to it also, and I will appreciate for your comment and your likes. Share the video also. Thank you for watching.